Alright, y'all. Here's what's going on. Kind of messed up. Kind of recorded the video a little weird. And so, what kind of music you got going on?
I don't know. Commercial right now.
But, you want to tell them what you did? Tell them what you did.
We have put the front suspension components on the car. All new front suspension. So, yeah, had filmed all that earlier, but
I messed up, guys. Sorry.
you know, our camera guy had a oopsie
A
doodle.
big old technical difficulty.
And it
Don't hardly know how to work this phone.
So, this is what we got going on. Front suspension. The rear end's underneath it. Rear end from that car is that rear end. So,
And you can see us taking that out where at?
on Brantley Racing 1B.
Yeah, buddy.
The YouTube video will be on today, actually. So if you're seeing this, it's already up.
Yeah, buddy.
So now we're just trying to get it close in alignment as possible. So we put tires on it. We're going to roll that car out of there, roll this car back in there, and then it's going to be on like Donkey Kong.
Yeah, buddy.
Motor dropping, panty dropping,
Panty
whatever
dropping.
kind of dropping.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fine with me.
But we get the motor in this thing. I got a sheet metal right there for the decking. I'm gonna put for the dash. We got the dash in there. Got to make some minor adjustments. All this is going to have to get cut off and redone, come down and above it so we can run a dash through.
Gotcha.
But yeah, we're gonna get it done. Set these.
Uh-huh.
I said I thought these were set, but I guess not.
Man, he ain't did nothing. I think they're too long.
Well, I mean, it's all.
This thing? That's what's going on.
I mean,
This one now is just a history. They're working with this car. You see when you and I did. Wondering when it would pop up next is stressful. Doing a number on
I
it.
think I have some other ones in here. Let me see if they're shorter.
On West City Hill, not a steroid.
I don't know if maybe you
Adults who
picked the
want
wrong
severe
one.
UC. Valsivity can help calm your gas at UC. It quickly treats flares, providing a chance for lasting steroid.
Nobody got steroids around here. The same size.
I just don't understand why I can't get no more adjustment out of it. What happened to the beatbox music?
Oh, I just turned it off.
Oh,
because
gotcha.
I was going in there. Yeah. Man, I'm so mad, bro. 30 minutes of footage gone.
Gone.
It's okay, guys. We learn.
Threw off a rubber, sorry.
Threw off my rubber.
That's as far as they go in. What the hell?
Gotta get the views, man.
The views.
Gotta get the angles. Yep. I need to go grocery shopping. I'll probably do that after.
You ain't
Yeah, I do, man.
You don't need groceries.
I ain't got nothing to make at the house.
Who needs to eat anyway?
Me? See, if I had it my way, I'd eat everything second of the day. Can't afford that. Right there.
I'm gonna try to get bumped in some more. See, that's still way off.
That's as far as it'll get.
Yeah, that's as far as I can pull it in. And it's centered.
At center?
Yeah, you can see it. See?
Mm-mm.
Shit. I mean, this side's out some, but I can adjust it in more. See, that's as far as I can get that one in, too. Let's see. Thing's pigeon-toed. This side's alright. This side I need to get in. I wonder. Ow.
Dang, Barbie. That kind of turned it in a little bit.
I think it's because it ain't got no pressure on it. I think it's just kicked out. It's got all that. It's just hanging. I probably gotta put tires on it and then do it. I'm probably fixing to do that. Take them tires off there and put them on here, set it down, and then go see what it looks like from there. I bet you that's what it is. Let's do that. Let's see. Get some tires on there. Some shoes.
Some new shoes. Fast forward, got air in the tire. So.
Air in the tire. Oh yeah. Now we're gonna have to fill way out.
Yeah. Not by much though. With the tires on, it don't look like much. But oh hell.
We got some boot to it. Ain't got no shocks on it right now though, but it's
She twerking. Make that booty bounce, girl.
make that booty bounce, girl.
Ain't no way they got that Buick sounding like that.
See? That might be like center right there. That got some damn lean on it, boy.
Damn sure does.
That's how you want it right there.
Mm-hmm.
I gotta get this tire to come in. I don't think you can get it to come in no more.
Sure you can.
I can get it to go out all day long.
That's weird.
Huh. My mind is puzzled.
I'm bamboozled.
I'm bamboozled. Hmm.
Mm-hmm.
That's way out.
You thinking what I'm thinking?
What?
Let's just get a late model. I'm gonna get me a Crown Vic.
That might be center right there.
Start doing Crown Vic racing.
Yeah, that's center.
Okay.
So that tire should be. That looks
Fairly straight. I mean,
it's just leaned out. It's cambered out.
yeah.
It needs to be brought back in, but we'll offset all that. And they also don't have an engine sitting in it either, so we'll get some, which I don't like as much as an engine does, but so we can do it right there. That'd be center for the most part, which actually, because let's see. Right there.
Yeah, that looks.
That right there, and then I can adjust this one out or in some more. I think. No, I can only go out with it. I don't understand. I ain't got enough adjustment. Well, we'll cross that bridge when we get there. Because we got to put everything else in there anyway. And all that's going to have to be aligned.
She bounces.
Bounce, baby, bounce. Well, now it's just time to roll one out and roll one in. Yeah,
Roll
buddy.
one out. What are we talking about here?
Rolling that one.
Oh, okay.
I roll that one out. Can't put it in there with that one.
No. You know what Dusty would say? Just get a bigger shot.
Yeah. Yeah, you're right. Well, we got a new car in the shop.
Yeah, buddy.
The old car out. Now we're gonna get the engine in this thing. So,
Put y'all on a time lapse.
This is VZ Music.
well, we got it in the hole. She's in the hole. She's in
Yes,
there.
sir.
She's in the hole.
In the hole.
Ready to go.
So,
So, yeah, we got it in there. We're going to button up a few things and call it a day. But remember to Follow us on Instagram, TikTok. We ain't got a Facebook yet. That'll come
No.
later on.
We're looking for sponsors too.
Yeah, so this car right here is going to be looking for sponsors for the 2025 race season. If you're interested, anybody has a business or wants to get their name out in sponsorship, hit us up, let us know. And that's pretty much about it. But I guess, just remember to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.